Lately in gardening, we've seen a really big interest in trying to be a little bit more sustainable, especially in the home, lawn, and landscape. We're all concerned about the environment. It's tough, our weather's tough, and it's hard to find plants that hold up to the heat and drought that we experience in late summer. And so in order to meet the educational needs that people are asking for related to landscaping, we've developed a new conference. This is our second year. It's going to be June 27th and 28th in Oklahoma City, and it's called Sustainable Urban Landscaping Conference. This conference is aimed at professionals and homeowners. The first day, which is on the 27th, will be aimed at people that work in landscaping, that are trying to find more efficient ways to do sustainable landscapes like native gardens, native lawns, perhaps how to save water when they're installing landscapes like plants that are more drought tolerant, or maybe even how to use less chemicals. So that day is really open to the public but aimed at professionals. On Saturday the 28th, that whole track is pretty much aimed at homeowners with the same kind of environmental topics: water conservation, drought tolerant, less chemical use. Our keynote speaker, who's very famous, is Doug Tallamy. He's an author who was also a professor at the University of Delaware, a famous author who wrote Bringing Nature Home, a very famous book about trying to create more sustainable landscapes that support wildlife, pollinators, and really are just better for the environment. Some of our other speakers include your host, Casey Hinches. She'll be speaking on Bermuda grass suppression and how you can do that without chemicals, because we all know it's very, very difficult. It's a really great lineup. We'll also have speakers focusing on pollinator plants and native plants, and then a lot of the conference will also be aimed at reducing water usage, not to mention organic kind of gardening techniques. So again, this is in downtown Oklahoma City at the Convention Center, June 27th and 28th. And the way to register for that conference is through our partner, Oklahoma City Beautiful. So if you go to the website for Oklahoma City Beautiful, you'll see the event, Sustainable Urban Landscape Conferences in June, and register for either day or come for both. But we'd love to have you, and we can all learn more about being more environmentally friendly and doing a better job in our own spaces.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.